To draw anime hair, start by sketching the shape of your character's head. Sketch a line where you want their hairline to be, usually about halfway between the brow line and the top of the head. Next, pencil in the character's hair, using simple lines and curves. In general, the hair should follow the natural curves of the head, but don't be afraid to give your character spiky hair that sticks up, or the occasional ahoge, which is a cowlick of flyaway hair, to make their hairstyle more interesting. Don't worry about drawing every individual strand. Just add a few lines or spikes here and there to suggest the shape of the locks and the texture of their hair. Experiment with giving your character bangs that hang over their eyes or hair that's brushed back away from their forehead, depending on the look you're going for. You can also try giving your character a ponytail or braids if you like. When you're done, erase the hairline, the outlines of the character's head shape, and any other parts of the head and face that are covered by the hair. If you want, color the hair in and add some highlights.